Next, bisexual style. Next.
Hi, I'm Lindsay, and I'm 21, and this boy is totally gonna love me because I'm perky, and I just have really, really great boobs.
Hey, my name's Billy, and all the girls go silly for my Willie.
I'm really shy.
Wait, no, I've heard that. Say your name.
My name's Patricia, and I really want to meet a really cute boy. Bye.
Hey, my name's Vern. This boy's got a tattoo on his neck. I lick it.
Now here's the dating part.
Let's see who Dave will date next.